Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned about adverbs of time and frequency. Today we are going to learn adverbs of place in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. An adverb of place tells us where something is done or happened. First let us see interrogative adverbs of place. Holpa or Olu, where, Ode, whither or to where, Vanchi, whither, towards what place or in which direction, Hoite, where, in which place, Okara, to which side. This is not used in spoken Tulu. Instead, Ode or Vanchi is used. Omei or Ope, which side. These are interrogative adverbs of place. Now let us see demonstrative adverbs of place. Mulpa or Mulu, here. Alpa or Aulu, there. Ide, hither, to here. Ade, thither, to there. Inchi, hither, towards this place or in this direction. Anchi, thither, towards that place or in that direction. Nete, here, in this place. Aite, there, in that place. Ikara, to this side. Akara, to that side. Imei or Ipe, this side. Amei or Ape, that side. Okay, these are demonstrative adverbs of place. Now let us see remaining adverbs of place. Ulai, in or inside. Pidai, out or outside. Tirthu, down or below. Mittu, above or upon. Adi, under. Matalpa or Matamai, everywhere. Ola, anywhere or somewhere. Olandala, wherever or somewhere. Ola, somewhere. Odela, to anywhere. Odeandala, to anywhere or to somewhere. Odena, to somewhere. Dura, distant place. Kaital or Mutta, near. Baritu, adjacent or on the side. Arutu, on the edge. Nadutu, in the middle. Sutta or Suttala, around. Mudai, east. Paddai, west. Badakai, north. Tenkai, south. Dumbu or Eduru, front. Pira or Pirau, back or behind. Dattamai, left side. Balattamai, right side. Some of these adverbs can have declensions like nouns, but only in few cases. Olu, where. Oltu, from where. Olta, of where. Mulu, here. Multu, from here. Multa, of here. Aulu, there. Altu, from there. Alta, of there. Ola, anywhere or somewhere. Oltula, from anywhere or somewhere. Oltala, of anywhere or somewhere. Ola, somewhere. Volta, from somewhere. Voltana, of somewhere. Ode, to where. Ide, to here. Ade, to there. Odela, to anywhere or somewhere. Odena, to somewhere. Vanchi, towards what place. Vanchiddu, from which way or from which direction. Vanchida, of which way or of which direction. Inchi, towards this place. Inchiddu, from this way or from this direction. Inchida, of this way or of this direction. Anchi, towards that place. Anchiddu, from that way or that direction. Anchida, of that way or of that direction. Vanchila, towards somewhere. Vanchirdala, from any direction of some direction. Vanchidala, of any direction or of some direction. Vanchiya, towards somewhere. Vanchirda, from some direction. Vanchidana, of some direction. Omei, or Ope, which side. Omeitu, or Opedu, on which side. Omeirdu, or Operdu, from which side. Omeiku, or Opegu, to which side. Omeita, or Opeda, of which side. Ulai, in or inside. Ulairdu, from inside. Ulai, or Ulaigu, to inside. Ula, or Ulaida, of inside. Tirthu, down. Tirthirdu, from down. Tirthu, or Tirthugu, downward. Tirtha, or Tirthada, of below. Okay, now let us see some sentences using these adverbs. Ye olla, where are you? Au ondu, where is it? Olla and ondu are short forms of olu ulla and olu undu. Yan olle, where am I? Ye olla, where are you? Aye or imbe olle, where is he? Alu or molu ollal, where is she? Au or undu ondu, where is it? Nama or enkulu olla, where are we? Iru or nikulu ollar, where are you? Akulu or mukulu or aru or mer ollir, ollir, where are they? Nekulu or aikulu olla, where are they? Aru odepoyir, where did he or she go? Ninna illu alpa, where is your home? Nikulu voltu battini, from where did you come? Nikulu ವೈಟೆರ್ದು ಪಿದಡ್ವರ್, from which place you will depart. ನಿಕಲ್ನೈಟೆ ಬರ್ಸ ಎಂಚ ಉಂಟು, how is the rain at your place? ಗಾಲಿ ವಂಚಿರ್ದು ಬೀಜೊಂದುಂಟು, from which way wind is blowing. ಅಡೆ ಪೋ, go there, to the particular place. ಅಂಚಿಪೋ, go there, anywhere but in the particular direction or way. Vante akara pole, move away a bit. Iru omeitu battini, from which side you came. Ameitu erla tojujir, no one is visible on that side. Ye aperdu bala, you come from that side. Avultula, look there. Anchitula, look away. ಪುಸ್ತಕನ ಮೂಲದೀಲೆ, put the book here. ಆ ಪುಸ್ತಕನ ಇಡೆ ಕನಲೆ, bring that book here. ಎನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿಲ್ ಕೈತಲ್ಡು ಉಂಡು, my grandmother's house is nearby. ಪುಚ್ಚ ಮೇಜಿದ ಅಡಿಟ್ಟು ದೆಂಗಿದು ಕೊಲೊಂದುಂಡು, The cat is hiding under the table. ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ ತೆಂಕಾಯಿಗೆ ಪೋಂಡು. The ship sailed southwards. ಆಯೆ ಎನ್ನಂಚಿ ಬರೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. He is coming towards me. ಅಂಚಿಂಚಿ ಪೋವರ್ಚಿ. Don't go here and there. ಓಡೆಲ ಪೋವರ್ಚಿ. Don't go anywhere. ಓಲ್ಲ ಉಂತೊರ್ಚಿ. Don't stop anywhere. ಅಕ್ಕುಲು ಓಡೆನ ಪೋಯೇರ್. They went somewhere. ಆಯೆ ಮೂಲೆ ಓಲ ಉಪ್ಪೋಡು. He must be somewhere here. ನಮ ಉಲೈಪುಯ್. Let us go inside. ಜೋಕುಲು ಪಿದ ಇಡುಗೊಬ್ಬೊಂದುಲ್ಲ. The kids are playing outside. ಆಲು ಇಡೆ ಬೈದಿಜಲ್. She has not come here. ಎಂಕುಲು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಮಾತಾ ಮೇಟ್ಲ ನಾಡಿಯ. We were looking for you everywhere. ಕೈತಲ್ಡು ಓಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಉಂಡ. Is there a post office anywhere nearby? ಮುಲ್ಪ ಬೆಂದ್ರು ಉಂಡು. Where is the bathroom here? ಆರು ಎನ್ನ ಪಿರವುಡುಲ್ಲೇರ್. He or she is behind me. ಈ ಎನ್ನ ಎದುರುಡಿತ್ತ. You were in front of me. ಸೀದಾ ಪೋದು ದತ್ತ ಮೇಯ್ಕ್ ತಿರ್ಗಲೆ. Go straight and turn left. ದುಂಬು ಪೋಲೆ. Move forward. ಫಿರಬಲೆ. Come back. ಆಯೆ ಮರೊಡ್ದು ತಿರ್ತು ಜತ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. He is getting down from the tree. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn other types of adverbs.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.